Hey guys, Brett at Russell Marine Products. Want to talk to you about a new tab we've got on our website, Demo Models. So it's that time of year. We've got demo models that we used here in the shop or out on the water for filming. So we've got a few demos. We've got a Helix 10 MDI G4N with transducer. We've got a 9 Pro with the new 3-in-1 HD transducer. And we've got some 12 Live no transducers. We also have a Ghost 60-inch demo. So click on that link on our website, check it out, russellmarineproducts.com, or give us a call, 316-313-4113. See you guys.